Come with me to go shark cage diving in South Africa. Pickup time is 4:30 a.m. These are the things I'm taking with me. Here's the fit. I'm wearing my rash guard and swim leggings so that I can wear a wetsuit over them. Drive from Cape Town to Huntsville is beautiful. We arrive at check-in location 2.5 hours later. The place has this huge whalebone on the ceiling. They give us life vests and splash guards. It is a short walk to the boat. Boat ride to dive location is splashy. They give us 5mm wetsuits and booties because the water is cold.
That you wanna share with me, guys? Any last words?
Fun!
They also give us face masks to see underwater and these weights so that we can stand on the bottom of the cage if we want to. I am the first to climb down into the cage. My head is above water and I can breathe normally. I hold the railing inside the cage and my feet is on the lower rail. When I want to look underwater, I just hold my breath and look under. Here's how they get the sharks to come close to the boat. They have this chum, which is a mixture of salmon and tuna bits. They throw the chum into the sea. The smell attracts the sharks. But these sharks don't eat tuna or salmon. They eat sardines. But the birds love to eat the fish bits. The boat guys start moving this bait around. The sharks think it's fish and chase it. These sharks are bronze whaler sharks. Today, we don't get to see great white sharks. We heard that orcas have been eating the great whites, so they've run away. The guys tell us when to go down to look. Like now. These sharks live till they're 30 years old. And they have up to 24 babies, which are called pups.
Oh my god, it was right towards me! Oh my god, look, it's right there!
I'm really enjoying myself. I give it a 4.5 out of 5 on my FFF rating scale, which means that this is very beginner friendly. I'll link a video up here to explain how my FFF rating system works. When you stop being afraid of deep water, you get to enjoy all the beauty of the deep blue sea. We teach you step by step to overcome your fear and learn to swim. Link in the description. Here's the view from the top.
I know, from nowhere.
This seal was playing around in the water near the sharks. They don't bother each other. I know you may not feel fearless now, but hang with me and we'll get